Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The conceptual 2027 Caterpillar CAT motorhome represents a bold and unconventional fusion of industrial-grade durability and residential-level luxury. Known globally for engineering machines that dominate the harshest construction sites and mining operations, Caterpillar's hypothetical entry into the luxury recreational vehicle market redefines expectations through its defining philosophy. Built like a bulldozer, drives like a dream. This motorhome is designed for travelers who demand the uncompromising reliability of heavy machinery while enjoying the refined comfort of a high-end private estate. Engineering fortitude, the Bulldozer DNA. The exterior of the 2027 CAT motorhome is a powerful expression of Caterpillar's legendary toughness. Rather than relying on fragile fiberglass panels common in conventional RVs, the vehicle employs a reinforced steel and composite exoskeleton engineered to withstand extreme abuse. Its industrial chic design features subtle Caterpillar yellow accents contrasted against a matte, weather-resistant gunmetal finish, creating a commanding yet sophisticated presence. The chassis is derived from Caterpillar's specialized heavy-haul platforms and incorporates high ground clearance, integrated skid plates, and reinforced underbody protection. Built for environmental extremes, the structure remains uncompromised in desert heat, alpine cold, or torrential rain. Multi-layer, impact-resistant polycarbonate windows provide both security and thermal insulation, while the reinforced roof is designed to support heavy expedition equipment or expansive solar arrays without structural strain. Refined performance, the dream drive. Despite its formidable construction, the CAT motorhome delivers a driving experience that defies its size and mass. Power comes from a high-torque, ultra-efficient hybrid diesel powertrain, offering immense towing capability and smooth, confident acceleration. The defining feature of its ride quality is the active adaptive air suspension system, adapted from Caterpillar's most advanced earth-moving machinery. Using real-time terrain scanning and wheel-by-wheel damping adjustment, the system isolates the cabin from road imperfections, delivering a smooth, floating ride across highways, gravel roads, and off-road trails alike. Advanced power steering, electronic stability management, and torque vectoring ensure that the vehicle remains composed and surprisingly agile, even through winding mountain passes. The driver's cockpit is a technological command center, featuring a wraparound digital display, AI-assisted navigation, and a 360-degree camera system that provides complete situational awareness. Despite its scale, the motorhome handles with the confidence and precision of a luxury SUV. Interior, industrial elegance redefined. Inside, the contrast to the rugged exterior is immediate and striking. The living space is a refined sanctuary defined by industrial elegance, blending reclaimed hardwood, brushed aluminum, stone textures, and hand-stitched leather upholstery. Every surface reflects meticulous craftsmanship and thoughtful design. The layout supports extended living, featuring a gourmet kitchen with industrial-grade appliances, a spa-inspired bathroom with stone-clad shower walls, and a master bedroom designed for complete serenity through advanced acoustic insulation. Self-sufficiency without compromise. The 2027 Caterpillar motorhome is engineered for true independence. A proprietary smart grid energy system, high-capacity lithium storage, military-grade water filtration, and renewable power integration allow for months of off-grid living without sacrificing comfort. Ultimately, this motorhome is more than a vehicle. It is a mobile fortress of luxury and reliability, delivering Caterpillar's legendary strength alongside a driving and living experience that truly feels like a dream.